Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat error SS06. So actually it is very quick and easy. I'll show you how to do that, but you need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So first of all, I'll tell right away that this problem may come because you are using an old version of Snapchat. So first of all, we need to open App Store on our device or Play Market, and in the search bar you need to type Snapchat and find this application in the list of applications in the App Store. As you can see, here it is. If you click on it, you will see if this application needs update or not. If you see this update button like me here, it means you are using old version of Snapchat and you need to update it immediately, because in the newest versions all the problems are already fixed, and this problem will also be fixed in the newest version. So click on update and everything will be fine. But if the problem still persists, then I'll recommend you to open settings on your device and scroll down a little bit until you will find general right here. Click on it. Then go to iPhone storage to see everything that is stored on your device. From here, scroll down and find Snapchat in this list of applications. Here it is. Click on it. And now we'll need to upload app to delete the cache of this application, because cache may be the reason why you get this type of problem. So click on upload app and confirm the action clicking on upload app again, and then reinstall the application from the same screen and check if the problem is gone or not. And basically that is it. That is how you can fix Snapchat error SS06. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.